All right, y'all. Captain Jeff here. About 2:15 on March 3rd, 2023, here at Lake Guntersville. And it's something you don't see too often in Alabama, or Alabama Lake, whitecaps. Let's take a look at them here at the lake. That wind's probably 30 or 40 miles per hour. I'm really having to push to go forward. All right, I'm going to try to zoom in on the lake so you can see the whitecaps. Woo! Oh yeah, sun's out. Oh, it feels great. Here, and I've got the van right there. Everything tied down. It was raining extremely hard about an hour ago, maybe 45 minutes ago. Take a look at it. Feel that wind or hear it? Woo! We got the ranger over there, came by and warned us a couple hours ago. About 11 o'clock. Electricity's still off, but the sun's shining here at Lake Guntersville. I'd say it's one of my favorite state parks right here. All right, we'll sign off for now and take a couple more bids. Try to get down to the lake so we can see the whitecaps up close and personal. Captain Jeff, out for now.